Ever wondered who keeps the laboratories running smoothly? Who ensures that the cutting-edge technology of a lab is consistently up to par and ready for the next big breakthrough? Enter the unsung hero of the scientific world, the lab facilities manager. In the bustling environment of an innovative research and development space, the lab facilities manager is the backbone that keeps everything in order. It might not be the spotlight role, but it's one that plays a crucial part in scientific advancements. Picture this: a laboratory specializing in protein-based biotechnology. It's a world that merges the complexities of life science with the precision of technology. This is where the lab facilities manager steps in. Their role involves managing the laboratory resources, ensuring that these resources are used efficiently and effectively. They are the ones who make sure that the lab is always equipped and ready for the next round of research. But the role goes beyond managing resources. A lab facilities manager is also responsible for maintaining the equipment. This is not just about cleaning and repair, but also about keeping up with the latest advancements and ensuring that the lab is equipped with the best and most up-to-date technology. And let's not forget about the people aspect. A lab facilities manager liaises with stakeholders, communicating between the scientific team and external parties. They ensure that everyone is on the same page, creating a seamless flow of information and collaboration. This role offers recent life science graduates a prime opportunity to gain hands-on facility management experience. It's a role that provides a solid foundation for a career in the bioscience industry. It's a chance to be part of the behind-the-scenes magic that powers the world of scientific discovery. So to sum up, a lab facilities manager is responsible for managing laboratory resources, maintaining equipment, and liaising with stakeholders. Their role is vital in ensuring the smooth operation of the laboratory, compliance with industry standards, and aiding in the progression of scientific research. It's a role that offers life science graduates a unique opportunity to gain practical experience and set the stage for a promising career in the bioscience industry. In the world of scientific research, where every detail matters, the role of a lab facilities manager is not just important, it's indispensable. So, the next time you hear about a new scientific breakthrough, remember the unsung heroes behind the scenes, ensuring that everything runs smoothly: the lab facilities managers.